Hello everyone, this is a simple video in which I would show you how to download an app that I made using Godot. So let's get started. First, go to the download page given in the link in the description below. There you would see instructions on how to download the app. Click on the download button at the bottom of the page as it is not a Play Store app. So Chrome would likely give you a warning that the app might be unsafe. Just click OK and wait for the download to finish. Once it is downloaded, you may or may not have to enable unknown source installation for Chrome. Wait for the diary to install. You can ignore all the warnings given by the Play Store. As I have mentioned before, this is not a Play Store app. Okay, once the app is downloaded, it would ask permissions for storage because this is a diary, so it wants storage. Okay, as you can see, the app runs fine. You can write the diary here and then view it later. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it.